How's it going? I've been very busy. Same as usual. Do you have any plans for the summer? Do you smoke?
I'm sorry, I didn't catch your name. Do you know each other? How do you know each other? We work together. We used to work together. We went to university together. Through friends. I was born in Australia, but grew up in England. What brings you to England? Do you live with anybody? I live with a friend. Do you live on your own? I share with one other person. What's your email address? Could I take your phone number? Are you on Facebook?
Do you have any brothers or sisters? Yes, I've got a brother. No, I'm an only child. Do you have any children? I don't have any children. Do you have any grandchildren? Are your parents still alive? Where do your parents live? What does your father do? Do you have a boyfriend? Are you seeing anyone? I'm seeing someone. I stay at home and look after the children. I'm a housewife. I've got a part-time job. I'm unemployed. I'm looking for work. I've been made redundant. I'm retired. Who do you work for? I work for an investment bank. I work for myself. I have my own business. Where do you work? I work in a bank. I'm training to be an engineer. I'm a trainee accountant. I'm on a course at the moment. I'm on work experience.
Are you a student? What do you study? I'm studying economics. Where do you study? Which university are you at? I'm at Liverpool University. Which year are you in? I'm in my final year. Do you have any exams coming up? I've just graduated. Did you go to university? Where did you go to university? I went to Cambridge. How many more years do you have to go? What do you want to do when you've finished? Get a job. I don't know what I want to do after university.
What religion are you? I'm a Christian. Do you believe in God? I believe in God.
You've got a great smile. Thanks for the compliment. What do you think of this place? Shall we go somewhere else? I know a good place. Can I walk you home? Can I drive you home? Would you like to come in for a coffee? Thanks. I had a great evening. When can I see you again? I'll call you. I enjoy spending time with you. I find you very attractive. Will you marry me?
Are you up to anything this evening? Have you got any plans for this evening? What would you like to do this evening? Do you want to go somewhere at the weekend? Would you like to join me for something to eat?
Are you afraid? Are you waiting for someone? Are you working tomorrow? At what time did it happen? What are you thinking about? What did you do last night? What does he do for work? What time did you get up? What time does it start? When will he be back?
I'll send you a text. Could I borrow your phone, please? I'd like a phone card, please.
Look forward to seeing you soon.
Where did you learn your English? I taught myself. How do you pronounce this word? I don't mind.
Anything else? Why did you say that?
I'm on holiday. I'm on business. Why did you come to the UK? I came here to work. I came here to study. I wanted to live abroad. How long have you lived here? I've only just arrived. A few months. Just over 2 years. How long are you planning to stay here? Another year. Do you like it here? I like it a lot. What do you like about it? I like the food. I like the weather. I like the people. When's your birthday? Who do you live with?
Is there a church near here?
Can I buy you a drink? Are you on your own? Would you like to join us? Do you come here often? Is this your first time here? Have you been here before? Would you like to dance? Do you want to go for a drink sometime? If you'd like to meet up sometime, let me know. Would you like to join me for a coffee? Do you fancy going to see a film sometime? That sounds good. Sorry, you're not my type. Here's my number. You look great. You look very nice tonight. I like your outfit. You're really good looking. You've got beautiful eyes. That was delicious.
Good to see you. You're looking well. Please take your shoes off.